Welcome to Russian Square, your space to learn Russian in a fun, clear, and practical way. In this full video lesson, you'll practice real Russian with simple grammar, useful vocabulary, and natural pronunciation, perfect for beginners and curious learners. Whether you're just starting or reviewing that you have learned, this lesson will help you build confidence and understanding of Russian step by step. Subscribe for more full lessons, dialogues, and everyday Russian. Follow me on TikTok for daily tips, fun mini lessons, Russian Square. Спасибо и удачи в изучении. Russian alphabet. There are more letters in the Russian alphabet than in English. Consist 33 Cyrillic letters. Я is the last letter of Russian alphabet. It looks like letter R, but reversed. Я. And so, this is the first your Russian word. Я. It's mean M. So, I am. Я. Я. Marina. I am Marina. So, you can say your name, but before put я, and put your name. It will mean I am, and let's put your name. John, я John, я Ann, я Josephine, я Grace. Non, in Russian we say не. Не. Non. It's written with the letter N. It looks like you know this letter, but it has a different sound. N. N. Instead, the letter E, pronounced as English E. Не. Non. Я не Анна. Я не Анна. Я Марина. Я не Анна. I am not Anna. And now say if you are Grace. Are you Grace? No. I'm not a Grace. Я не Grace. I am Michael. Я Michael. If you will put to не the letter T, не T, with the same sound and pronunciation as in English. T. we will express negation нет, no. Саша? Нет. Я не Саша, я Марина. Я не Анна, я Марина. The letter D in Russian is the same, like a sound, but it's written like house, home. The letter A is always A. Yes, in Russia we say да. Марина? Да. Я Марина. Greetings. Hello of greetings in Russian. You can say привет. Привет. Here you can see 4 letters look like similar for you, which is the sound of letter P for you. This is the sound P, P as Greek alphabet P. P. Instead the letter R, here sound is R. P, R. And now you can see the letter N reversed. E. E. This is the sound like E. Look like N reversed and sound E. The letter B in Russian has sound as V. V. A contradictory letter. V. P. R. I. В. Т. Привет. Привет. What does mean? Hello. Hello. Привет. Hello. And so, let's continue to see my videos the next time. See you later. Subscribe on my channel and put like. See you. Пока.